friend.
Oh, who am I seeing?
Ebwe, my very good friend. So you finally made it.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Come on, sit down.
Thank you very much.
Ebwe, okay, man.
You're welcome.
How was your journey?
The journey was so long, but finally, seeing your household gives me joy.
Ana bonyi shebwe.
Namo.
Chia nezeri ambo. Kanka kwa nebuchi oto. Ekaraka.
You're
welcome.
Is well.
So hope your people are fine.
Hey, they extended their greetings. They are okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
My household is pleased to have you as our guests.
Thank you.
Akudia. Akudia. We have a visitor. Bring cola and water for him. Yes. This is cola. According to our custom and tradition, it is says that he that brings cola brings life. This is water.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
This is my first wife, Akudia.
It is my pleasure. It is my pleasure.
Yes.
Thank you.
No. And this is my second wife, Ekema.
It is my pleasure.
Yes. Before my wife steps out now, or before she leaves here, let me say this. You know, according to our custom and tradition,
yes,
if you have a visitor, you will assign one of your wives to take care of him for the night. So I am assigning my beautiful first wife to take care of you every night.
So, Ebwe will stay the night.
So she will take care of you.
It is my honor. Yes. It is my honor. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you, my friend.
Akudia.
Thank you.
You will be taking care of my best friend.
Yes, my husband.
Every night, you go to his room and take care of him.
Yes, my husband.
It is my honor. Thank you. Yes, thank you, my friend.
Onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ.
Yes.
Nke anyị ga-eri ga-abịa. Nke ga-eri anyị ama mfụkwa anyị. Onye sịkwa na ya ama ndị anyị nwa bụ ndị nọ n'ụlọ ama ndị ha nwa nọkwa n'ezi a ga-eburu ozu ha nata. Maka asị na
I did not marry into this house just to watch another woman receive the man my hands chose long time ago. Ebwe was meant to be mine. Before this house, before this marriage, my heart belongs to him. But the world didn't choose love for me. It chose wealth, comfort, and I accepted it. Spirit of the unknown, hear me. If the living world refuses my desire, then you must answer me. Don't let this marriage trap me. Give me a way, any way, so I can reach the man my heart belongs to. With my hands, I chose wealth, but my soul belongs to Ebwe. If love cannot walk freely in the daylight, then it will walk secretly in the night.
My husband said I should stay with you tonight. This is a tradition of this house.
I know. That is what he said. But tradition does not mean a woman should lose her dignity.
You will not come to me?
You are not a kola nut that should be served to strangers and visitors to be eaten. You are a human and deserve some respect too.
If my husband finds out you refused, he would think I disobeyed.
Then I'll speak for you. I'll bear the blames.
Why do you protect me like this? We barely know each other.
Sometimes, respect is the only gift you give to a woman, especially in a world where a lot has been taken of her.
We have many traditions in this house, but today, you have changed me.
Rest, Akudia. The night is too long, but that should not steal your peace. Go to bed and sleep. I'll watch over you from here. It's my honor. So this is a tradition of this house. A guest comes and a woman must share his bed like she's nothing. Akudie does not deserve this. No woman does. Tonight, it was me. But tomorrow, another guest may come, and another. If I leave now, nothing will stop it from happening again. No, I will stay longer. I will stay longer in this house. I will help Ibe on the farm, so no one will question why I remain here. As long as I am here, no man will take advantage of her. Sometimes, the only way to protect what is right is to stay and fight quietly.
Forgive me, Ibe, but tonight, you must sleep deeply. Tonight, you will sleep and wake up in the morning, and I will have all the time to do whatever I want to do. Now, Ewe, you are mine. I'm coming.
I getting weaker every day? I've long stopped walking. I have boys who work for me these days. But every day I find myself getting weak every day. I need to go and sleep. Make sure Akudia takes care of my friend. By the time I wake up, your food must have been ready. I need to sleep.
Now, I can have my way. Tonight, nothing will stop me. If I don't reach him with my body, I will use the body available.
Akudia, what's the meaning of this? Stop! 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 Oh, leave me! What? How did you enter here? Huh? Hey. What is happening here? What is going on? Akudia is lying down very weak inside. I came and ran out angrily. How did she enter here at the first place? Somebody should wake me up. What is happening? Akudia, what is going on? Akudia, stop.
Woman, cola, tradition of men. Woman, tradition of men.
Why do I feel like this? Why is my body this heavy? Why does it look like my spirit fought with something last night? Like something was inside of me. But I can't remember anything. What is going on? What is this?
This farmland is so big. Ibe will need many help, many hands. So, if I stay longer here, nobody will question me. They will think I am here to help Ibe in the farm. But the truth is that no matter how long I stay here, people will not think I came here for another thing. They will think I'm helping my friend in the farm. As long as I'm here, she will not be given to another visitor as a caller. And no man will be sent to that hut again. Akude will have peace. Sometimes, saving someone is not just about fighting. Sometimes, it requires staying closer.
Woman, cola, tradition of men. Woman, tradition of men.
No! Mama me! No! 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 Mama me! No! Why is it being so difficult? Why is it refusing me? Why is it refusing me? Even when I entered the body, I called him, but he stepped back as if he's seeing my spirit. What kind of a man refuses a lady standing before him? Spirit, you must help me. You must help me. I did not come this far to fail. If one position is not enough, then I will try again. Sooner or later, he will not escape me. Never. He will not escape me.
Akudia, how are you?
I'm fine.
Why are you always here?
This is where it feels quiet.
Are you done staying? Let's go home. Seems you like coming around here every time.
Yes. The river is the only quiet place I have to think.
Think about the tradition of the house.
Yes. Some traditions, they are good, but some bring pain.
Tradition are meant to protect the people and not to hurt them.
But in this place, women have no power to say no.
That is why men should choose to do the right thing, even when tradition says otherwise.
You speak differently from other men.
Maybe because I listen to the pain behind the silence.
Thank you for the respect you showed me that night.
A woman should not be thanking a man for showing her respect. It is my honor.
Thank you. Let's go home.
Lead the way.
Tonight must go well. Nothing will stop me. These herbs will make Ibe sleep until morning. A sleeping husband sees nothing and asks no question. I will try again this night. Ewe, you will never escape me. Hey, sleep well, my husband, because while you sleep, the night will belong to me.
Why are you still awake by this hour?
Don't question it, Ewe. Just come. We'll come closer.
Hey, stop. Stop. What is the meaning of that?
What is it? What is your problem? Are you not a man? Come on.
No, stop that. This is not Akudia that I know. You, the spirit that has possessed Akudia. I command you to leave this body now. Leave this body now!
Hey, wait, stop this nonsense. Stop it. What is this? Eh? What's the meaning of this?
I know who you are. But let me tell you, you can't be in this body for long. You can't destroy this body. I command you to leave! Leave this body! I command you to leave this body now! Akudia.
What is it?
It's nothing. Sorry I woke you up. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Why this feeling again? Why am I having this feeling again? It feels like someone used my body. But I know it's not possible. I was here, lying here alone. Why does it feel like my spirit felt something? Like something happened that I'm not aware of. Something is not right. Something is wrong somewhere. I just pray this pass soon. This feeling, let it pass.
What do you want?
You know what I want.
I repeat myself. What do you want?
I want you, Ebe.
You can never have me. Never.
No man refuses me. Not even you, Wewe.
Is that what you think? I am not an ordinary man. I am an Abalanza. I know you from the first day I stepped my foot into this compound. You can never have me.
Then we shall see.
Okay.
Kede?
Well, peace be unto you.
Unto you. You are still in this village?
Yes. Yes, you know.
I thought that by now you must have gone back to your village. You have stayed long in Ibe's household.
Yes, I should have, but my friend has a very large farmland. He has a lot to do, so I'm here to help him clear more of it.
I must say that you're a good friend.
Thank you.
You are a good friend because not everybody will stay back to help a friend the way you are helping Ibe.
Yes, a friend should not leave when help is needed.
But, Ibe, let me ask you, what about your own family? Don't you think that they will be waiting for you?
My home. Yes, I know they will be waiting for me. But my family will still be there. I must finish what I started.
Well, what can I say? Ibe is your friend. Do what you like for your friend. But I must say, not everybody will stay back to help a friend the way you're helping Ibe. God bless your handwork.
God bless you too. Yes.
It seems you're going my way. Let's go together.
Yes, I want to go to the other part of his farm. Yes.
You just finished here. You are going to another farmland to work.
Yes, I have my tools there. Maybe let me just walk a little before I return home.
What can I say? Continue and may the gods bless your handwork.
Thank you.
Work well, eh?
Thank you very much. My family must be waiting for me. He's saying the truth. But I must finish what I came here for. Akudia must be free.
How did my life come to this? When I married Ibe, I never married him for love. I saw his wealth, his lands, his big house, but my mind was never there. My heart had chosen Ewe long time ago, believing that tradition will bring Ewe to me because he is his best friend. And now he's here. He still refused me. All my weight, all my plans are wasted. I did not marry for love, but I will not give up on the love that I still want.
Who made this?
It's me.
Quite delicious.
Thank you.
Well, you didn't need to walk all this long to bring me food in the farm. Akudia, there's something I want to give you. Take.
What is
Like
this?
It is a herbal medicine.
But I'm not sick.
Yes, I understand. But some sicknesses are not always visible. You know, the body remembers always what it has suffered. And I think you need it.
You mean the men that came before as visitors?
Yes. Some of them must have left pain. And I think you need it to cleansing up. You need to be strong and healthy again.
Thank you so much.
It's my honor.
No one has ever thought of my health before.
It's my honor.
Thank you. It's delicious.
The first charm was not strong enough. Tonight will be different. Tonight's power is going to be stronger. No man can resist this kind of charm. Not even Egbe. You rejected me so many times. I waited for you so many years. Married someone that I never loved. All because I believed that you'd be mine someday. I cannot lose now. I will never lose. If the spirits will help me to take what I want, then so be it.
What is it again?
Come to me.
Akude, this is not you. This is not how you talk.
Why do you keep running away from me? Eh? Come close.
This is not the woman I know. Stop. Stop. This is not a... What is it? Stop. Leave me alone. This is not you, Akude.
What are you saying? Why do you keep running away from me? Eh? This is not good now.
Stop it. Stop it. Leave me. Akude is not this hard. What is your problem? Huh? I know who you are. So they have come again. You have entered this body again. You cannot destroy this innocent woman alone. Leave her alone. You cannot destroy her.
You cannot stop me.
And what do you want?
You, Egbe.
You cannot have me. And I cannot watch you destroy this innocent woman. Leave this body now. I said leave this body now. Leave her alone. I said get her from this body. What just left? What? Something moved out.
Why does this keep happening to me? Every night. Every night, I wake up feeling being used while I was asleep. Why? all the time. And this started the night after Egbe arrived. When Ekemma started preparing food for our husband Ibe. The night after he arrived, same thing. The night after that, same thing. What is going on? Is Ekemma responsible for this? I don't understand this yet. But I know that something is wrong. Whatever it is, it will be known soon. One day.
Ancestors of this land, the spirit of my fathers, hear me. I've not come to this land to cause trouble in another man's house. I only came as a visitor and a friend. But what I see is so strange and wrong. Give me the courage, the strength to fight. I know I am in love with her, but now she is my friend's wife. The gods of my fathers do not allow temptation to make me do what is wrong. Give me the strength and the courage to protect Akudia from harm. She has suffered under this tradition. Let no more pain come to her. The spirit of my fathers guide my steps, strengthen me, and let the truth defeat the spirit of darkness in that house. Give me courage and strength for as long as I am here. Do not allow evil to win over good.
Why does he not see me? Why does he not feel me or love me? Why does he only talk to Akudia since he arrived? Akudia, you must step aside. But if you don't want to step aside, I will control you. I will become you. And I will have him. Spirits, help me. Grant me this power so I can achieve my mission. If I can't have love in the day, then I will have it in the night.
Akudia, there is something I've been wanting to tell you.
What is it, Egbe?
I'm staying longer in Ibe's house. Not just because I want to be helping out in the farm.
Why then did you stay? You could have gone anytime.
I know. You know, before Ibe married you, I have had my eyes on you. I loved you. I have these feelings for you. But I was afraid. I was afraid because I had nothing. No money, no lands. Nothing to give you the kind of life you deserved.
I stayed so long. I stayed. I could not say anything. I was dying in silence. Till he became and married you. Now, the tradition gave him the right, allow him to offer you to visitors and strangers as caller. I could not bear that. My heart could not carry it. So I had to come to his house, pretending I want to help him do his farm work, to protect you, to make sure you are not just an object of shame.
You stayed for me? Knowing fully where I belonged to another?
Yes. Because what I feel for you, my heart never left you. I don't pass a night without thinking about you. Akudia, just know that I'm here to protect you.
I didn't know.
You don't have to say anything. Just know that I am here to protect you. To make sure you're not made the object of caricature. An object of shame. My heart wouldn't allow me.
What's wrong with this palm wine? And it's from the same source. I've never changed my palm wine tapa. Huh? Palm wine that each time I drink, I feel energized to go to my farmland and walk. But for some days now, each time I drink this palm wine, I start feeling dizzy. Now I'm weak now and I'm feeling sleepy. Maybe I'll just have to go inside and sleep. Ekemma! Ekemma!
Nayo!
Come here. I'm feeling sleepy now. I need to go inside and sleep.
So what do you run?
Yes, and whoever come looking for me, tell them I'm not around.
So what do you run? So what do you run? Just according to my plan.
No. Stay away from me. This is not my will.
You cannot stop me, Akudia. I will reach him through you.
I am my own. I will not be used. Leave me.
You are weak. I will find a way.
I am stronger than your darkness. I will not let you control me.
Ekemma!
Is Ekemma responsible for this?
Or is someone using her face to get to me? I will not let fear rule me anymore. I take back my spirit. Spirit of my ancestors, cleanse me, protect me from every darkness that wants to touch me against my will. I take back my spirit, my mind. No one will touch what I do not permit anymore. From this day, I choose my own path, and no one will take it away from me.
I cannot let this continue. Akudia suffers for a tradition she knows nothing about, for some black magic, some tricks. I will not let Akudia suffer under this darkness. If someone tries to use spirit to control her, I will find out. I will expose whoever that person is. I'll protect her, even if it means facing danger. Even if it means confronting powers no one dares speak about. Akudia must be free from this enchantment and tradition.
Why? Why must it be him? I gave him everything. I gave him my heart. I gave him my soul. Yet he belongs to another. I chose wealth. I chose this life. But my heart still aches for him. If the living world will not give it to me, then the spirit must listen. If I can take him in secret, then I will. He will be mine, even if he costs the world. Even if it breaks me, he will be mine.
Akudia.
Sometimes I feel trapped by what people expect of me. I don't even know who I am anymore.
Akudia, you are a strong woman. You are stronger than you think. Even when things want to weigh you down, you still stand strong and tall. Yes.
I feel safe around you. But I cannot betray my husband. Not even in my heart.
I understand you.
My feelings will not let me cross the line that will make you feel bad.
Thank you for respecting me, Egbe.
I will always protect you. Even if that means me living under the shadow. I will always be here for you.
Thank you so much.
It's my honor.
Spirit of the night, I call on you. Let my will flow through another. Let Akudia's body be mine. I will not be denied. I gave up everything. He is mine. Akudia! Akudia! Open your body, let my spirit enter. Open your body, let my spirit enter. Your body is mine. Your body is mine. I will not be denied. I will not fail. I will not fail. He is mine. I will get him at all costs.
You again? You again? You possessed her body again? Huh?
Egbe, what are you saying? It's me. It's me, Akudia. It's me.
This is not Akudia that I know. You again. You have possessed her body again. You devouring spirit. The spirit of my fathers. Please give me the courage to win this fight. Leave this body alone. Because this time is not going to be the same.
You cannot escape me. You will be mine.
Never. Never. Leave this body in peace. Because this time is not going to be as easy as you think. Leave this body! The spirit of my fathers, the soil that gave me life, the spirit and the blood of my ancestors, guide me, give me the strength to win this battle. I command you, by the blood of my ancestors, leave this body now. Stop! Alone. I command you, leave this body now! Good. 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 Akudia. Akudia is over. Akudia. Akudia, wake up. Wake up.
Ekema, you used sacred power for selfish gain. You betrayed the laws of your people.
No! What I wanted was love! I mean no harm!
Love gained through deceit and harm is not love. You disrespected the living and the spirit.
I only wanted what my heart desired.
Greed and obsession destroy the soul. Learn this truth.
I was wrong, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. It wasn't my intention. Please have mercy on me. Please. Finally, I am free. No more weights. No more shadows over me. No more fears. No more strange nights. The spirit that haunted me is gone. I will not let anyone control me again. My spirit, my body, my choice. I start afresh. From today, fully me.
Woman, cola, tradition of men. Woman, tradition
I don't
of
understand what you're saying. Look, how can you... This is how it's done. This is our tradition. It's our custom and tradition. And you cannot change it.
Ibe.
No, you cannot.
Ibe, listen to me.
No. What are you saying?
Listen to me.
Don't tell me that.
Listen to me, Ibe. Listen, you are my friend. I would not tell you what will hurt you. See, I think this your kind of tradition that allows you or compel you to give your wife to a stranger, a visitor. It is wrong. It is very, very wrong. She's a human being. She has dignity. She has feeling. It brings her pain and shame.
Look, Ebe. This is our custom and tradition. So you can't come and change it now. Look, it's a custom, it's a normal thing in our community here that if you have a visitor, you give your wife to him as a cola.
Then it is wickedness. She's not an object that you use as a collar. She's a human being, someone's daughter. Yes. See, my friend, you're my friend, and I will not do anything that will violate your peace. But just think about it. The change can start from you. Yes, what you did to me is very nice. I will lose nothing to lay with your wife throughout the night and even request for your second wife. Yes, but think about it. It's wickedness. She has feelings. And this is painful. You're taking away her dignity.
Look at the way you're sounding. You're making it look as if I am a bad person. No, you're making it look as if I am treating her bad.
The change can start from you. We should not take, because we are more superior, to take the dignity of women. They have feelings too. Now, call your wife. Sit her down and ask her if she likes what is happening. The way you treat her with like color. She will tell you no. I know it's your custom and tradition, but it's people, it's men that keep custom and tradition. You can change it. The revolution can come from you. Yes. Think about it, my friend. Think about it. Think about it. This is somebody's daughter. Yes. I'm sorry if I sounded, I'm not trying to join head here.
My sacred altar destroyed. My charms, my power, I can't feel it anymore. I thought that love could be taken by force. I thought that wealth can give me anything that I want. But I was wrong. My destiny, ruined by my own hands. Power without heart is destruction.
Akudia, you are saved now. No one can touch what is yours. I have done what I could. The spirit will protect you now, and no one will force you again. Stay strong, Akudia. Your courage has broken chains tonight. It is time to move on, but my heart will always guide you.
All this wealth, but I have nothing. Not even love, not even respect, only anger and emptiness. I thought I could have him, but I lost it all, even myself. Spirits, show me what is left for me now. Show me the path. Greediness, obsession has destroyed me.
This one, you both are silent. Hope all is well.
It's just a quiet moment in nine. Everything is fine.
This quiet moment is making me feel guilty. Have I done anything wrong to both of you?
Nah, it's nothing. All is well.
Are you sure?
Everything is fine in nine.
If you say so, I'll be inside.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you maybe. Look at mother.
Ebwe job. Ebwe job. Ha! Ikaraka. I'm good.
I said, let me tell you that I'll be leaving soon.
Ooh.
Yes, I'll be leaving soon.
Ebwe, you've really tried. I appreciate the enormous work you've done on our farm.
It's my
The
honor.
way you've so much helped us so much in that farm. I appreciate.
It is my honor.
Thank you very much.
I am your friend. And what I did is what I'm supposed to do. Yes, I came here personally to help you do your farm jobs because I know you're a great farmer. Yes, so what I did is what I'm supposed to do. Yes.
Anyway, I understand the fact that you just have to leave. But if you ask me, I'll plead you stay for a few more days. You see, we still have a lot of work to be done on that farm.
I wish I can. But I have other things to do. Yes, I must go as soon as possible. But before then, I left some cassavas in the farm because I went to the farm with your wives.
Okay.
Yes, so I must run along so that I will help them carry them back.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ebwe,
I must go.
you're indeed a good friend. I wish you can stay for a few more days again. This is what friendship is all about. Ebwe Jejog.
My friend Ibe, I must take my leave. Akudia, be strong. Be strong. Ibe, my friend,
Ebwe Jejog.
please, always do the right thing and not just what the tradition says. Women too need their right. They have dignity. Sharing them gives them pain and shame. And in your house, you can start the change. I'm a friend to this house. It will give me joy when I come back here and be peaceful and happy in your family. Please. Akudia, it is my honor. Thank you. Ibe, I must go now.
My regards to your family.
Thank you.
And may the gods of our land guide you safely.
Thank you. I must go.
Farewell, my friend. Farewell, my friend. Fair friend indeed.
Finally, peace.
A friend in need is a friend indeed. This is what friendship is all about. Farewell, my friend.
All this for nothing. My greed destroyed me.
Akudia. Come and sit here. Come. Hi, Maricham. Now the sun is about to set, and I would like us to go inside and enjoy ourselves.
Yes, mine. But things are different now. We must respect life, not just tradition.
I understand that. But let's go inside and enjoy ourselves. This is a new beginning. Okay, come on.
Tradition gave men authority, but truth returned women their freedom.
So Let's go. Come on. Hey! Hey,